calm voice to sing, but louder. I cannot hear you louder. So this is what you people have planned to go and disgrace me, right? You people have planned to go and disgrace, but I'll be the one to disgrace you people. I think I have to increase you people's injection. I need to bring back your injection.
Are you
seriously? Look at what you people are doing. Oh yeah, all of you sing together. Sing that chorus that I taught you people then. Sing that chorus. Sing it together. Hi Jesus. Yeah, you people. Hi Jesus. So these are people will perform, no problem. But I will inject you people 30 doses. So after all I taught you people, this is what you people are doing. You are shouting. No problem. Let me bring your injection. 30 doses for you people.
Run, no.